We provide a condenser dryer at Treetops House and it's located here on the right. The control panel is at the top, and to turn it on, just push this button here. This will illuminate the display and turn on the lights on the inside. If you find this doesn't come on, please check above, since this button needs to be pushed down. If it's up, push it down, and then this will deliver power. There are various modes that you can select. You just turn this dial and the illumination will change to whichever setting you have chosen. So the most common one is Condenser Eco. This will say the time will take roughly 2 hours 22, and to start the machine you just push start. This will start the machine, and then you can pause it by pushing pause. To open up the machine, you just pull on here, that'll allow you to gain access, and then you can put in your clothes or take them out. After each use, please make sure that you take this out. This is where lint gets collected, and you need to open this up, and this is opened up by just putting it on here. Opens up, remove the lint, put this in the bin, and replace this back inside. Also, after each use, you need to make sure that you take out the water tray. You then take this out, take it to the sink, empty this, like that, and then replace it. If this is full of water, then the machine won't work. After you've finished, please turn off the machine by pushing the off button. The instructions and manual are following this video. That's how to use the condenser dryer. Thank you.